His turn to be called for the offensive foul. Is it not?
Yeah, if it is an offensive foul, let's see.
No.
I think foul called against
Pagnatan.
Pagnatan.
Third shot should be a reaction from Team Code usually. Pero wala, no?
They was in the circle. Blocking foul. Went together and explain. Teka muna, partner. Hindi ba primary defender yun? Hindi ho. Because a primary defender can be inside the circle.
Yes.
In that lane. But Eric had to go by a defender to get that position. And Eric has also been doing well with his free throw shots.
Let's check with Roy how many Mencas nailed in terms of the free throws. Bagal mag-add.
5 out of 7, total of 16 points.
Biglang bumilis nung tinignan.
But 4 4 personal fouls na. No?
Yun lang.
Kung tinawagan siya doon, biglang upo yan. 5, third quarter, 5.
Biglang na matutulog yung offense na Ginebra naman. Although they are going small, but they do need men to be the hub there.
You have to have an anchor no matter how small you are.
Yeah, indeed. Well said. Tenorio and company whipped it around, looking for the best possible opportunity.
Nakasona pa dito ang Ginebra na sinotice. Hesitation on the part of Durant. Ayan naman. Now you have to get somebody to get the ball.
Willis.
Ayan na si Willie Miller. Yung hesitation move niya, sabay go to the left. At yung isang lamang na yun, o 13, biglang 2 na lamang. 11, naging 2 na lamang.
At saka hinanapan ng angulo yung layup na yun, ano? Wow, Mr. Cordiality pala talaga, eh, no?
May timeout yata dito ng ang Alaska dito.
Okay, gamitin natin yung timeout ito.
Get any better than this.
Balik ko tayo rito sa Cebu Coliseum. Let's review this slice of action in our BMEG Power Move brought to you by Derby H Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Liamado. Hinanapan ang angulo talaga.
A good defense there by Tony De La Cruz, who was backing up. Medyo you could see a little of the right hand of Willie clearing him out, and Tony was looking for that, but maybe not enough contact really to be called for a warding.
Kasama na rin ni Miller itong karamihan dito sa national team, no?
Of course, and he was a member of this team for a long while, so he knows their moves and they know his moves.
Takes one to know one situation, ano?
So, but it's a big run. Jongyu Chico gambling on a timeout, going small, sitting down his import, and all of a sudden that 11-point lead is down to only 2. But under 3 minutes left sa third quarter.
Ang pinaglalabanan dito, aside from third place, Dr. J, is sino masaya sa aeroplano bukas? Sayang, sabi ni Tony De La Cruz.
Well, they knew that Ginebra was going to go to the zone, so they attacked, going to the corners where there was a quick double team, and then they had the cutter from the weak side getting open, and the pass was given up.
Rudy Hatfield has collected his third personal foul, and De La Cruz is on the strike.
Pretty good free throw shooter, but he missed that one. Look at that big forward lineup dyan ng Alaska. Simpson, Devance, and in this case, Tony De La Cruz, about 6'4", maybe a little bit more. Sanitos having to sit down with 4 personal fouls. Split charities here. But a safe 3-point lead at the moment for Alaska.
Going into the final 2 minutes and 47 seconds of chapter number 3. Phoenix PBA on tour presentation here today. Nice gift off.
God! Good block by Simpson. Not in my house.
Not here.
Yung mga malalaki, nag-volleyball doon sa area.
Actually, hindi talaga papasok yung unang alam lang nila, no? And Miller tries to take over this game.
There's nobody who does that spin in our country better than he does in the PGA.
He'll throw you off completely.
Yeah, that spin. And then, you know, he stops, no? Then he really gets himself in good balance, good position for the shot.
Can imagine a happy childhood dribbling the basketball on the streets. Spinning around by himself.
Siguro, ang daming umayaw dyan. Ang daming kalaban nyo na umayaw.
Ikaw na lang maglaro. Tapos nakatawa siya. Hindi pa ako tapos.
Wala akong kalaro. Ito na naman ako.
Ay, anak kayo. Ay, pinagumulang.
At medyo napapilis ang talon ni Eric Nick. Hindi, mapapalo up mo.
Oh, naagay masyado yung ni Cyrus, ano? Parang he was forced into stopping, and that created some kind of congestion in the box.
Well, I think most of the teams when you talk about transition defense, alam mo kung sino mabilis doon sa kabila. So, you send guys there to obviously come back on defense quicker. And you must stop the ball, especially pagkatulad ni Cyrus. Dahil pag pinabayaan mo mag-dribble yan sa open court, goodbye ka na dyan.
May sariling version ng sabi na pag-uusapan nga natin, mababang crossover, may mataas na crossover. Parang piloto yun.
This is very good coaching by Coach Young, because what you see here is he brings back the import. Even though okay yung lineup niya, maganda linalaro niya, and looking back. But it's also time to refreshen up some of the other guys.
Crowd beginning to bristle with excitement again. That shot does not work. Somebody's collarbone was ripped away.
That could be a neck, and that's number 5. I mean, plus 2 free throws because of the penalty situation. Si Eric Nick yata ang foul.
Yes.
That's 4 personal.
4 personals
4 pa lang.
Pasensya ka na, pare kasi itong scorer ko kanina pa ginawang 4 si Mink. Siguro nakita niya sa kanyang panaginip kanina.
Nagpapaliwanag. Gusto mo kasi presinto magpaliwanag.
Hindi naman ako attorney. Hindi naman ako investigador.
Gusto ko siya, di ba yung pag nahuli ka? Sabi na, sa presinto ka na magpaliwanag.
Hindi naman ako investigador.
Ang daming honey shot naman nung, di ba si Mr. Alcosebe?
Papakain ba yung mamaya? O ano ba yan? Ano ba yan si Willie?
In the meantime, is it Miller time? Just up a little to the right.
Oh, that's another foul on Eric Nick, and that's number 5 on him.
Now, so officially 5.
Yeah. Yun na, panaginipan nga ni Roy kanina yan. Kaya kitang-kita na niya, naalala niya. Ayun, masakit na yun. And that's a loose ball foul and a rebound play. And penalty yan, so free throw shots.
Menk was given a warning because he did have words to say after that foul, but he'll go out.
And Yancy Viacampo, who has 4 personal fouls coming into the ballgame. Siyempre, ang maganda na laro ni Menk, he didn't want to pick up a 5th foul on a loose ball foul sa rebound play, no? Masakit yun.
And Diamond hits it. Then he's now an owner of a 20-point game.
And Alaska has weathered that storm of Ginebra coming down to cutting that lead to within 2 with a minute to go here in the third.
Where's the ball going?
I think dumula sa kamay ni Willie Miller yun. I think that's a good call.
That rarely happens, huh?
Well, like I said, mainit yan eh. So that ball is really going to be slippery. Buti yung flooring, hindi pa nga.
Si Willie, pag ako yung bola, parang yo-yo-yo na talaga eh. Coming down to the last 40 seconds.
Ang ganda na Alaska, nakasona sila para parating may umaatake, may kumaflash yan sa gitna. And it almost always happens that guy can shoot.
And that guy has 11 points right now.
So,
Stevens.
Lumaki na naman lamang dito. 6 na. And that's gonna be a foul on Cyrus Baguio.
Ball hawking effort.
Holding foul number 3, Cyrus Baguio. His second, 15th foul.
Tanggalan na ng headband lahat, ano?
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Baka yung pawis naipit yun.
Just let it flow now. Parang ano. Tama yun, ha? Hindi, ano yun, naipit na lahat, ano? Tapos basang-basa pa rin, Bumibigat ka. Parang sa boksingero, bumibigat, eh. There we go, baseline. Nice move.
if this guy gets hot, they have a problem because pag sumabay si Kagiwa at saka si Willing uminit, mahirap yung going out.
mahirap yan, oo.
So magkaiba, siyempre, they'll be on opposite sides. No?
Pinjet propulsion yan, ano? 11 points na rin si Kagiwa. To the corner we go. Long ballot, yes. De La Cruz has been working very hard. He has 9 points. And that should just be about
They didn't have the time. Somebody should have thrown out that shot. Plenty of time to have gotten off a decent attempt.
So that's our count. Fourth quarter.